Go to MIGO for goods receipt. Then, select goods receipt and purchase order. Select movement type 101 for goods receipt. Enter your plant DHPL and purchase order number 10138. Then click Execute. Mark the item OK checkbox. Go to the Batch tab. Then enter your supplier batch. And enter your material batch. Then click Check Entries button. Now you have to see the error message. Material Ledger currencies were changed. And you can see the error message details. Close this error message. Then go to MM03 and enter your material, and click Select Views button. Then click Continue and enter your plant and storage location. Then click Continue. Here you have to see the same error message again. The Material Ledger currencies were changed. If you try to go Accounting 1 tab, that time, the same error message appears again. And you can't anyhow go to Accounting 1 tab. And the system then asks you to exit. When your group currency was changed, that time the system gave you this error message. How to solve this error? Go to SCC4. And you have to land it on this screen. And you can see your client is 100. And currency is USD. Click Display Change button. Then click Continue. And changed your currency in Euro. And save your client currency. Again, go back MIGO. Then enter your purchase order 10138. Then click Execute. Again, mark the item OK checkbox. Then enter your supplier batch and your material batch. Then click Check Entries button. Now you have to see the error message has gone. And the document is OK. Again, go to MM03. Then enter your material. Then click Select Views button and click Continue. Then enter your plant and storage location. And click Continue. Now your error message has gone. And you may go to Accounting 1 tab without any error message. Here you can see your company code currency BDT. And group currency is Euro. Thanks for watching and write your valuable comments.